to another Photoshop tutorial. Alright guys, so today we'll be learning how to blur out a person's face in Adobe Photoshop CC. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so first and foremost you would want to make a selection of the person's face you want to blur out. Alright, so you have a lot of tools you can make a selection from, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna use the lasso tool. Alright guys, so we can trace around the face for those who can't make that perfect selection. Alright, let's trace around, and this is not perfect, but it gets the job done. Alright guys, so after you make that selection, you go to filter, blur. You can use any one of these blur, but what we're gonna use today is Gaussian blur. Okay guys, so click Gaussian blur, and you just blur out. You can just choose how you want to blur out his face. Okay, when you want to blur someone's face, you don't want to see any detail at all. So I think this is good, and you just click OK, and there you got a blurred out face. It's not perfect, but you can get it perfect to how you want it. So you blur out his face if you want to hide the image from someone or so, but this is how you blur out a face in Adobe Photoshop CC. Alright guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel.